Thumbnail designs are the most important things that get your videos views and clicks. This is because search engine picks the title while the eye choose which thumbnail is more appealing. In this video, I will teach you the easiest and fastest way to create attention-grabbing thumbnails without overthinking and without design stress. If you've always struggled with what to write, how to design, or where to start, I got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. There are two things I usually do before I design my thumbnail text. The first thing I do is head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate my thumbnail text. I would say I need 4 to 5 words thumbnail text ideas for a video titled "You put in your video idea." It should be short, punchy, and scroll stopping. ChatGPT then gives me amazing options that are SEO friendly, bold, and click worthy. Sometimes I tweak it, but most of the times I leave it that way because they're always perfect. After picking the best thumbnail text, I don't run to Canva yet. I go right back to ChatGPT and ask for a design description. I say something like, "Give me a clean and captivating thumbnail layout. Suggest font styles, colors that pop, background tips, and any visual element that would support the video topic." It will also give you ideas of icons or animated pictures depending on what your title states to help your thumbnail come alive. Sometimes I go further to ask it to give me a picture of this particular thumbnail it's describing. It will give you a picture, but note you can't use this picture because it will not fit into the YouTube thumbnail size. It's usually broader. After it has done this, you pick up your designs and then head over to Canva to design your proper thumbnail. You remember I said I have two things I do. The second thing I do is I go to YouTube and scroll through videos that have the same title or similar title just like my video does, and I check their thumbnail. I usually check videos which have more views and I compare their thumbnail to what ChatGPT has just given me, and I try to mimic it or work using such thumbnail. Sometimes the idea ChatGPT will give you will be way better. Sometimes using theirs or mixing the both of them will give you a greater thumbnail. So let's move to Canva now and create a thumbnail. Over to our Canva app. If you do not have it, you can go to your Play Store and download one, register, and you can use the free version to do whatsoever you want to do to create a really nice thumbnail for yourself. Okay, so once we open the Canva app, we are going to see this interface. You click on the YouTube thumbnail. You click on that thumbnail so that it will just give you the measurement for the YouTube thumbnail. You don't have to start customizing it. So once you're there, using the description, the thumbnail description that Canva has given us, all you have to do, once it has given you the layout, how this should be, it's loading, sorry. Okay, so once you have this, you click on the image, you see color, click on this arrow, and then you can put a background. The first thing you should do is to put a background color that suits you, depending on the description or what you have decided to choose. Okay, let's pick this. Okay, let's pick this. Next thing you do, you go to text, add a heading. Whenever you are using a text, make sure that the font is really bold, because most of the people reading your thumbnail or viewing your video is viewing it with a phone. So you make sure that your fonts are really large. So after we have done this, we'll go to fonts. You just click on what you have written. How did I get here? After I clicked my text, I wrote down my text, thumbnail ideas, I clicked on the text itself and it brought out all these things. So with these, I can play around with my text. So I go to my fonts, and most times I'll advise I use Atom, Archival Black, or April Fat Face. Okay, so let's use Archival Black. Okay, I think this is okay. So I increase the size. Thumbnail ideas. Okay. You try and adjust it to fit into your thumbnail. Remember, make sure the word is bold enough and readable if someone is reading it through their smartphone. So you try and adjust to make sure it fits properly. So this is what you keep doing. Try different fonts depending on what you actually like, what goes for the title, and then you finally select. All right, after we have done that, we can go ahead to upload a picture or whatsoever we want to upload. You just click on your upload or your gallery. Your upload shows pictures you've used recently, while your gallery takes you down to your phone to select the picture. So while you click on the picture, whenever you are taking a picture, make sure you take a picture with a clear background, or a picture that has a clear background. Then you come to background remover, and to take away the background of that picture and leave it smooth, clear of any obstruction. And then I flip it. I want to flip it this way so it sits properly. And voila, I have this. No noise, no too much write up, just a simple message, thumbnail ideas with this pretty face sitting right beside it. Now, if you do not want to use this, you don't want to go through all this hassle, all you have to do is to click on designs after you have clicked on YouTube thumbnails from the first time, and it gives you that clear and white background. Let me delete. Remember, when we got to this point, if you do not want to do all these things, all you need to do, go to designs, and it's going to give you thumbnail design ideas. All you need to do is click on any design of your choice. Let's take this. You can click on this design and edit it to your choice, whatsoever you want to do. If I want to change the girl's face, I click on the girl's face, and then it will take me there. I click on her face, and I can decide to replace the picture. Look at where I have it replace, and I can either decide to replace it with any of my uploads or the rest of it. If I do still want to, if I'm okay with a picture, I want to change the write-up, I just click on it, and then I can write my title, thumbnail ideas. So that's it, and then I make it to sit just in a way that it will be okay. So I adjust this, move her face away. Let's delete this, is duplicated. Okay, and this is fine. Voila. Tell me on the comment section, which of these ideas do you feel you would use in generating your next thumbnail? Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe so you get updated when I post my next video.